Hi, class. Welcome to Module 1. So, this week begins your introduction to ethical leadership in public administration, and we're going to start by examining the role of ethics and governance and introducing the ASPA Code of Ethics, which is going to be kind of the ethical framework for the course. Um, Public administrators are stewards of public trust, and their decisions shape communities. They influence democratic process, and they determine how taxpayers' money is used. Ethics isn't just this abstract field. It's present in our daily work, in the decisions that we make. It shapes our organization's culture, and it influences our impact and interaction with citizens. So, we're going to focus on how ethical leadership influences three areas: building citizen trust, shaping organizational culture, and guiding decision making in complex situations. So it's really important that ethical leaders model integrity and that they encourage accountability for themselves and for their followers, and that they ensure that their choices serve the public interest. This really is grounded in the ASPA Code of Ethics. Um, this week, you're going to review some key concepts like accountability, transparency, um, public interest, integrity. These principles are essential for navigating leadership roles in government organizations. And then we'll have in the notes, you're going to look at a case in point with the Atlanta's Police Department ethics investigation so that we can kind of see conflicts of interest examples. So for Module 1, you have graded work that includes a discussion post and the academic integrity quiz. Remember that your first post should be submitted by Thursday by 11:59 p.m. and that you'll need to respond to at least two of your peers by the end of the week. Work to engage on at least 3 days during the week. So any other assignments generally in a module are due on the last day of the course, or excuse me, the last day of the module, not the last day of the course. Um, so most other assignments, if you had a quiz or if you had a paper, that's going to be due on Sunday by end of day. Really be mindful of your deadlines because I do not accept late discussions. And if you have a late work after a week, like an assignment, I may not accept that. You need to reach out to me before you have a late submission. So, this first week can really set the tone for the course. So, let's start thinking critically about ethics, about leadership, and public service. And I'm really looking forward to your insights as we kind of explore these foundational ideas and we start to apply them in real world scenarios. Because I know many of you, like me, are public servants. And so let's use this as an opportunity to really dig deep about what it means to be an ethical leader in public service. Thanks. Bye.